Hello, my name is Kasaga Frank, and I'm here to present the week 5 team project. We dealt with event nexus, and in the database we have these collections and we have some data in the events. So for week 5 we dealt with events and venues, and the data is already there, and in the events we have 9 of them. So they are the ones I'm going to be working on. So that is the database, and this is our deployed app. This is the deployed page of the app. So I'll go directly, no, before that, I'll go to the VS Code and show you the try catch block. For this, let me use the events as well. And the try catch block, I used this asynchronous function of get all events. So you send a request and it responds you. So for example, the try catch block down here, if you put an invalid maybe document or event, for example, the number of attendees or something of that kind, and it is not a number, and you just put in letters, so it will say unable to fetch event because of the wrong input you put in. So that is all I can say about that. And the other thing, let's go back to the Swagger APIs. So it is slowing down. Oh, sorry. I don't know why it is slowing down. So when you get back to the rendered page, so we shall have to call the API docs. Yes. So when we call the endpoints, we shall have to use, shall first use the get for the events, and then we'll try it out. Then we execute. When we execute, it will have to bring all of them. There are 9 of them, as you can see. So I'll go directly to post. I'll just use the same data, though change it because of time. So I'll just use this lila. So I'll just have to copy it. And then I just go to post and try it out. When I try it out, sorry, yes, put it here. I just put it here in Trophy. So in the events, we shall remove the ID because it is of no use right now in this field. So shall maybe call it Masaka leader Masaka, maybe Masaka Digital Art Workshop. So we shall have to create that only for this because time. So it will send a code of 201, which simply means the event is created. When we get back to the gate, we shall have to see Lila Masaka showing in the data we have. So it is Lila Masaka and it is showing. So when we get back to the database also, we shall have to see Lila Masaka showing up somewhere. Sorry. So let's go back to events. So when we get back to events, we shall have to see Lila Masaka. It will refresh it. Remember, they were 9, now it's showing 10, so simply meaning that Lila Masaka must be appearing, and it appears as you can see. So the other thing I'll have to show is I'll use exactly this to do the post. Sorry, trust computer is slowing down, but it is okay. So I'll just have to show the put also. So I have to put all the data here, and then the ID copied to the ID place. And then this one is of no need right down here. So before I do all of that, I'll first show you the code, the error code that is given when something is missing or something else is not given. So I'll just have to remove the title for the start. Just show you the error. The error handling is working, the try catch block. So when you execute, you shall have to find the code of 400, which simply means unable to update the events. So that simply means something is missing in the data or in the fields that you have. So we shall have to just reput it. Sorry. So when we put it back, it at workshop. Sorry. We shall have to find that when we execute, data will be given and giving a code of 200, which means the event is updated. So the error handling is working very well. And the other thing, so when we get back, I will go down here to the venues, we try it out, we execute, it will have to give us the whole venues we have. And as you can see, they are given. So they are good, as you can see. So everything is working very well and everything is okay. Yes. I also did the parts in week 5 and set the Express project and connected to MongoDB. So everything is working very well. And hopefully next week we shall be doing other something else. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.